Okay, so let's see how the X252 flies. FPV all connected. Let's calibrate. So sticks down, outward. Okay, all ready. Turn on the video, recording, start the clock. Let's go. Oh wow. That's quite nice, quite good, quite stable. It's a bit windy. It's in the low rate. That's the yaw. Oh, looks nice, sounds nice, flies nice, quite stable, you know, hovering quite well. See those front bright lights here? Easy to see underneath, orientation. Oh, quite a stable flyer. Wants to go quite fast. Okay, sorry. Yes? Yeah, let's put it into the high rates. Oops, hang on. Whoa, what happened there? Stop the clock. Okay, sorry, wrong switch. I put it into altitude hold. Stop the video. Okay, so that wasn't too clever. All seems fine. Just recalibrate. Okay, take it in. Recalibrate. So sorry folks, I should have flipped this switch to go into the high rate and I pressed the throttle hold by mistake. Let's start the video again. Let's start the clock again. Let's go. Okay, there we go, back in the air. Okay, we know that it can take a good little hard landing, which is good. Okay, let's put it in the high rate now. Okay, yeah, that's the yaw in the high rates. And down, up. Still quite stable. Yep, that's the pitch. Brakes quite well. Really flies nicely, sounds nice, looks nice. Really a nice drone. If you like these brushless motors, okay, so we'll just fly it and see how long the flight time lasts. And keep it close for the camera. Really steady and stable. Okay, time wise 4 minutes 15 seconds. Nice and steady, nice and stable. The wind's quite strong and it's really handling the wind well. Say about 4 to 5 miles per hour, and really it's handling it very well. It's a nice style, nice shape, nice design for wind. Okay, no blinking lights yet. Oh, hang on, is there blinking? Are there blinking lights? No. Really impressed with how this flies and how stable it is. Okay, still no blinking lights. The lights are a little bit difficult to see, you know, at an angle, so you do really have to get underneath it to see. Just keep it going around so we can see. Still green lights on the back. Still green. Okay, time wise 8 minutes. Wow. Okay, still going well. Still no battery level warning. Still green. Stable. Still green on the back. No flashing red yet. Still green. 9 minutes. Okay, starting to flash red now. Okay, we'll bring it in. Okay, that's it. Okay, stop the clock. So yeah, just over 9.5 minutes on full FPV. Stop the video. No, a nice flying time, full FPV. Also a bit in the high rates. Very pleased, very impressive, a very nice flyer. Nice design, nice shape. Okay, and let's see what the X252 looks like at night. So as you can see, blue lights in the front, green lights at the back, quite bright little headlights. There we go, and let's take off. Okay, so yeah, you can see it quite clearly. Those front lights are quite bright. Oh, now you can see the orientation quite easily and quite nicely at night. Oh, that. Quite impressive. And I'm quite pleased with the way this looks. Very nice, very impressive, very light, very bright. Okay, let's bring it in. Okay, very good. Very impressive at night too. Thanks for joining me. Cheerio.